I'm overlooking the Pedernales River. And we have some people out there walking around. You're not allowed to swim or wade in this river. And it can be quite dangerous because if it has rained upstream, this becomes a flash flood area. But it is so pretty. Now this side of the river is owned by the Texas State Parks, and the other side is private property, and you can be arrested. And am I going down there? No. Is Bruce going to go down there? Of course. One of the things they tell you is if you notice the water is coming up, get out as fast as you can. Let's see if Bruce makes it back.
What looks to be a lovely beach over there on the Pedernales River, you are not allowed to swim, wade, tube, or anything in this section of the river due to the flash flood possibility. It's up to a $500 fine each if you are caught swimming or any of the above in this area. Also on the other side of the river is private property, and you are not allowed to swim over there or be over there.
And he's down there. Can you see him? I know with this camera you don't get good shots, but he's down there.
We're in Pedernales Falls State Park. It's about 10 to 11 miles east of Johnson City, Texas. Right now the river is very, very calm. It is subject to flash flooding. From where I am to the other side will be nothing but a raging river. Very, very dangerous. They warn you, if you see the water rising or the water starting to turn muddy, get out of there. There is a flash flood coming. Pedernales Falls is many, many little falls